Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens and it is a really great week. At the very end of the video, I have a $40 basket, but we have a lot of freebies just with digital coupons. And then something I stumbled into yesterday, which was 90% off diapers. If you have a little one or if you are going to a baby shower, this is 90% off. We're going to dive into that right away. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out the channel if you could just take a second and like this video. Okay, so the first piece of business that I'm going to talk about are the diapers that are 90% off. And these have been like 50% off, but they went right to 90 on Saturday. So the first one I found at $1.49 is the Baby Dry size 6. Don't be shy to ask for a price check if you're not seeing any orange tags. And we have a 3 off 2 digital. So to get this to work, this is what you're going to do. You're going to grab 3 of these bags for $4.47. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $1.47 or 49 cents a bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now let's talk about the free stuff. So there are digital coupons to go with these Easy Ups by Pampers that are also $1.49, and they're in the PJ Masks, some sort of cartoon character. And just to show you, it's the 25 count, 2T, 3T, $1.49. And also the My Little Pony ones, 2T, 3T, also the same price. Shout out and thanks to my friend Becca over on Instagram. She sent me these. And this is the My Little Pony one that's also part of this. And don't be shy to ask for a price check even if it's not tagged at your store. Now we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So it's the same math as the last little breakdown shakedown. But Fetch Rewards is also giving back 3,000 points per bag if you have this same rebate. So even without a digital coupon, it's a free item because the item's $1.49, 3,000 points back. Boom. And I did it yesterday around 5 o'clock. Okay, so just the quick breakdown here. Grabbing 3 of those bags, if you can be so lucky to find them, it's going to be $4.47. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $1.47. Photograph your receipt to Fetch for 9,000 points back, making it free plus a $7.53 money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And you have to buy more than $3 of these diapers to get the digital coupon to come off. So if you just grab 2, you're just below that $3 mark, so the digital coupon won't come off. This is in-store only. You can't do it as a curbside. Get out ASAP. There's also lots of wipes also included, so it's the diapers and the wipes. So if you can make it happen, make it happen. And then if you can possibly track down $35 of specifically Pampers, you could possibly get this register reward, but that might be a tall order, just throwing it out there. But I would still, like, for $1.49, like, go. We never see diapers this cheap. Another product I was finding also 90% off are the pull-ups with the frozen characters on it. This is a very old diaper. At one store I found, I think, like 6 bags of it. And again, if your store, they have really old stock, you might hit the mother load with this today. And even if you resell baby items or do mom-to-mom sales or whatever you want to do with them, you have a toddler that's in diapers, you can't beat these prices. And these are the items that I was finding. It was the 3T, 4T, the 16 count bags. Again, these are very old diapers. So if you see them with the frozen characters, don't be shy to ask for a price check. Clearance is always a your mileage may vary too. What's happening here might be the same as Texas, but might be different in, like, say, Maine. So, just be mindful of that. It might go on clearance a little later. Typically either Tuesdays or Saturdays, they start marking stuff down in their system. And also, as I said, a lot of wipes and like ointments, lotions, that sort of stuff, 80 cents for this. So I would definitely walk down that baby aisle if you're headed out to Walgreens this morning. First freebie that we have is with the Dove shampoo. Apologies, I don't have any tag photos. The guy that usually does the tags was not in today, so just kind of going by memory and a little bit of intelligence here. But the Dove shampoo is BOGO 50% off, and then we got this gorgeous digital coupon this morning, which is a 5 off 2. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's going to be $7.48. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $2.48. Get back a $5 register reward, making this free. and a $2.51 money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you want to do this deal with no booster. Now we're back with the Garnier for 50 cents each. It's either the whole blends or the Fructis. You pick the set that you wish to do per transaction. As predicted in my video yesterday, we got the digital coupons for both the whole blends and the Fructis. Now, if you were going to get all 4 of these shampoos, guys, you'd have to break it up into 2 transactions, one for Fructis, one for whole blends, as the register reward will only print once per transaction. Grabbing 2 whole blends, it's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back one $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And just to remind you again, if you wanted to get the whole blends and the Fructis, 2 separate transactions, because that $4 register reward will only print once per transaction. And yet another freebie with the Oral-B toothbrushes that are $3 each. So we have this gorgeous coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 3 off of 2. Please make sure you have it loaded. And it's a very basic deal. Grabbing 2 of these brushes, guys, it's $6. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And now we're looking at these really cute Colgate toothbrushes. We got this really nice digital coupon this morning, which is a 4 off of 2 for like the Colgate products. That's the mouthwash, the toothbrushes, that good items. So grabbing 2 of these brushes at $4.50 a pop, that's $9. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per brush. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Now, as predicted in my video yesterday, they also gave us this, which is a 4 off of 2, and the first is Colgate. So if you could find 2 toothpastes at $4.50 a pop, you can do the deal just with toothpaste. I would recommend 2 separate transactions so that register reward will print for you twice. This deal is still going on these little tubes of the M&M minis, perfect for ice cream sundaes. My husband was like making one yesterday with them. So they are still BOGO 50% off. So 2 of them would be $3.75. We have a $1 digital coupon down below. You would load it. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back 1,500 points for each of these tubes. So you're going to get back 3,000 points for the 2. So, I mean, it just makes it a free purchase after everything is said and done. So I would definitely stock up on these if this is something that you want to purchase. I mean, it's fantastic. Another great deal is on the Scott paper towel and toilet paper. So you're going to grab 1 of each. And who doesn't? I mean, you always need paper towel. This is one item that never goes bad in your old stockpile. So why not? And you're going to load the following, which is an IVC coupon, $1.25 off of both products. Make sure you have this guy loaded. Plus, we have 2 manufacturers that include this $1 off for the toilet paper. If you look below, it says manufacturer. Press that plus button. And then we also have the paper towel, which is another manufacturer coupon. So you could stack that first Walgreens coupon in these 2 different coupons. So grabbing 1 of each, that's $10. Subtracting the $1.25 IVC, $2.50 will actually come off for you. And then $2, $1 for each, the paper towel and the toilet paper. You'll pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per paper product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so for this next basket, we're going to go through a lot of the deals of the week to get you to $40, and it's a free basket, which is absolutely trippy. Now, I did make one augmentation, one change, which was to put in these 4 laundry care products that are 4 for $10. It's either the Tide Simply, these dryer sheets by Bounce, or the Gain Softener. So you can mix and match, but get 4 of these items for $10. I'm not going to go through the other items one by one again because we just did. So this is your $40 basket, guys. 2 of the Dove shampoos for $7.48. 2 Colgate brushes for $9. 2 Garnier shampoos. You pick whole blends or Fructis, $8. And then 2 of the Oral-B brushes for $6. And 4 laundry care products by P&G for $10. Your total is $40.48. have your booster loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 40. Now $15 in digitals will be melting off. We have the 5 for the Dove. We have $4 for Colgate, $3 for Garnier, another $3 for the Oral-B brushes. So you're going to pay with your debit card $25.48. Then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the spend 40, get back 10, and $16 in register rewards. Which is trippy. And we just went through all of them so you know the ones that you're getting. So it makes this haul basically free. And remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using the spend 40 to get back 10. Hey guys, so before I take off into the big sunset, today is the final day of the Dollar General clearance event, which is the 12th. Happy Mother's Day as well. But if you want to go there, look for some pennies or just see what they might have. It's the final day where items are going to be an additional 50% off, the items that are clearance or POG. Check out the video linked right here for more information if you have a bit of time. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.